How do I set validation criteria in Excel data validation? Imagine you have a big list of data and want to make sure everyone enters the right kind of information. That's where setting validation criteria in Excel comes in handy. It helps keep your data accurate and consistent. First, pick the cell or cells where you want to control what can be entered. You can select one cell or drag across multiple cells. If you need to select non-adjacent cells, hold down the Control key while clicking each cell. Next, go to the Data tab on the top ribbon. Find the button called Data Validation in the Data Tools group and click it. This opens a box with 3 tabs: Settings, Input Message, and Error Alert. In the Settings tab, you decide what kind of data is allowed. Under Allow, you can choose options like whole number, decimal, list, date, time, text length, or custom. For example, if you want only numbers between 10 and 100, pick whole number, then choose between, and set minimum to 10 and maximum to 100. If you want to guide users, switch to the Input Message tab. Here, you can type a message that appears when someone clicks on the cell. For example, tell them to enter a number from 10 to 100. This helps prevent mistakes before they happen. On the Error Alert tab, you can customize what happens if someone enters wrong data. You can choose to stop them from entering invalid data, show a warning, or just give an informational message. If you pick Stop, Excel won't let incorrect data stay. Warning or information will allow the entry but alert the user. For more advanced rules, pick Custom under Allow. Then, type a formula that returns true for valid entries and false for invalid ones. For example, to check if a value starts with use a formula like is equal to countif, a2, You can combine multiple conditions with and or functions for complex validation rules. You can also restrict dates to a certain range, create drop-down lists for consistent choices, or ensure numbers stay within a budget. Text formats like specific prefixes or lengths can also be enforced. If you want unique values in a column, you can write formulas that check for duplicates. By setting these rules, you make sure your data stays clean and correct. It saves time and reduces errors, especially when working with large or complex spreadsheets. Mastering data validation is a key part of advanced Excel techniques and automation.